More control, more precision, get more out of every grinding operation. This is where cycles truly make the difference. In modern tool grinding, cycles define how machining with stock is executed. Structured, transparent, and precise. NUMROTO offers a wide range of intelligent cycle variants tailored to different applications. They are used, for example, in flute grinding, relief grinding on drills, DXF profile grinding, cylindrical grinding, and roughing operations. Grinding processes can be finished in reverse direction when required. Individual or multiple steps can be offset axially, radially, or in wheel axis direction, fully aligned with your machining strategy. In DXF profile grinding, stock can additionally be defined directly along the programmed contour. Axial and radial stock are among the most commonly used variants, along with structured roughing, finishing, and polishing cycles, particularly in cylindrical and flute grinding. The examples shown represent only a selection of the most commonly used variants. Cycles bring structure and control to the grinding process, and with NUMROTO, you unlock their full potential.